Hi, I have another DIY for you, perfect for a Valentine gift or, any kind of gift or anytime. Lip balm. And I'm calling this You're the Balm lip balm. And this is what my daughters are gonna give to their classmates for Valentine's Day next week. And other parents will appreciate something that's non-candy, right? And it's useful. If the kids don't want it, well, they'll give it to their parents. But, and then I found a free printable online that says You're the Balm, and my girls will sign it and then just attach this lip balm. So I started in a double, kind of my own makeshift double broiler, about 1 inch simmering water with beeswax. This kind of takes the longest, so I kind of wanted to start that. And I'll give you the measurements. So I have lip balm tubes like this, and it's really kind of handy with this holder, but you don't have to get that. I found this on I bought it on Amazon a little while ago. I also have some that are bigger. They don't all fit, so make sure if you get refills to match them up, and we'll fill them up that way. My daughters, after I make it, they can help too, but they're kind of busy doing some stuff right now. I have like fun tape that they could wrap around like that, like these. You can also make your own labels. There's a lot you could do to make it fancy and so cute. Okay, it's melting. So, this is kind of a big batch because it's for 2 classes, but you can cut it in half. We're gonna see how many this will make. I'm thinking at least 20. I have 4 tablespoons beeswax pellets. Again, on Amazon. These have lasted me a long time. I've done a lot of lip balm classes. This is what it kind of looks like. It's nice because you don't have to like grate a candle, something like that. It melts relatively quickly. It's starting to melt there. All right, the next thing we need is coconut oil. And I'm looking at my recipe here. 5 tablespoons. And I have washed my hands because I'm gonna have to kind of take it off my finger. There we go. 1. 5 of these. 2. And it doesn't have to be, as close as you can to exact. That's the fun part, or easy part about DIY. That's 3. I have to count. Don't want to forget. 4 and 5. Okay, did I do that right? Yeah. And then the last ingredient is shea butter. And these are all so moisturizing. When you have this lip balm tube, you don't just have to use it on your lips. If you have anything dry or skin area, I like to even use it as like a primer for my eyeshadow. You can also feel good because in case your child puts it on their lips and licks it or eats it, or you do, these are all safe products, all natural. You don't know what that like other lip chapstick has in it, right? Ooh, it's melting up real well. Oh, by the way, do you see I'm just using an old jam jar and a toothpick because it's very hard to get the wax and stuff off, so usually I just get rid of it or save it as my lip balm. Oh, my husband got home and Louie, our dog, got excited. Okay, shea butter. This is the kind I got. Oops. And I'm gonna put in 4.5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and a half. So some recipes have done with this. I use cocoa butter, like this. It's much harder, but it does have that kind of cocoa, like chocolate. And I'm doing the half, or chocolate kind of scent taste to it. So, for Christmas I made peppermint chocolate lip balm with cocoa powder, and that works well with that ingredient. Okay. There we go. That's the ingredients. But you're saying, oh, isn't it going to be scented? Yes. After this totally melts, I'm going to take it off the stove and add the essential oils. My daughter chose Citrus Fresh and a tiny bit of lavender. With this amount, I'm going to probably put 20 drops. It's going to sound like you need a lot, but to be scented, you need a lot. Okay, it's almost melted. And making sure I'm mixing the whole way so it's, ow, that's hot, really good consistency. The tricky part though is you have to pour it in. So that's why these are easy. And if it's a little bit messy, you could just scrape it off. If you don't have that holder, I just put a paper towel on the counter and put up my lip balm tubes and gently pour. This is the part where a child could help, but over the hot stove and pouring, I think decorating the lip balm after is best. I still see some kind of harder pieces of the wax, so I'm going to keep it melting. After I fill up the lip balm tubes, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to harden. It could be 20 minutes. You just kind of can check and see, and then you put on the lid and decorate. There you go. After I do this, I will put the exact recipe I have. I'll post it above, and I'll also put the link to the cards. And you can do any type of essential oil in here. I've done peppermint, citrus fresh and lavender is what I'm going to do. I've done joy. I did Christmas spirit around Christmas time. What do you think will be a good combination, or what good oil? All right, so I'm going to take this off. Turn off the stove. Sorry for the light behind me, but it's getting dark. Okay, so this is where I'm going to carefully pour. Oh, I almost forgot the essential oils. What am I thinking? Okay, so I'm going to put 20 drops of Citrus Fresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops, maybe 21. Mix that up. And I'm going to put lavender. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6. Just a slight lavender in there, not too much. Okay. Looks good. Now I'm going to pour it in. Carefully pour. And it might get messy, but that's okay. Best to still do it over a paper towel. So I'm going to stop there and show you the afterward picture, maybe even after they're decorated. Try lip balm yourself and let me know what you think and what essential oils you put in.